There are channels on YouTube that are making boatloads of money using YouTube Shorts. Over here, I found an exact example of a channel doing this. All they're doing is copying and pasting simple YouTube Shorts, and they are making anywhere between 2.6 and 9.2k a month. If we even go on the bare minimum, 2.6k a month, that's still a lot of money to make every month for literally copying and pasting simple YouTube Shorts. As a YouTuber myself, I can tell you that YouTube earnings are more close to this larger number, and they will be close to 6 figures every single year. Take a look at what they're earning daily from just copying and pasting simple YouTube Shorts. Over here on the 26th of July, which was yesterday or 2 days ago, they made between $265 and $938. The day before that, plus minus $700. The day before that, plus minus $800. So they are anywhere between $300 and $800 a day making simple YouTube Shorts. Over here on my screen, there are other channels over here doing this worldwide and making tons of money every single day. Now, what's great about YouTube Shorts, it's fairly new to YouTube. It was only released this year, so YouTube is really promoting this kind of content, especially on the YouTube Shorts app. So this is a great way to build an audience quickly, to get a lot of views, which we can monetize in various different ways and make money online from this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. On this channel, I'm documenting my daily journey on how I make money online. If you want to follow that journey, make sure to leave a subscribe down below with the notifications bell on, leave a like and comment down below you're ready, because at the end of this video, I'm going to announce who the winner of the $20 giveaway is and how you can win a $400 course giveaway completely for free. So make sure to keep watching because you don't want to miss this epic giveaway. Now, I've got a couple of examples of people that are doing this and that I recommend you follow as well. And it's also super easy content to make. So if I come over to a YouTube channel called Car Crash this time, Car Crash Compilation TV and Mega Driving School, these are a good compilation of one small channel and two big channels doing this. So this channel over here posts content on dash cam footage compilations that they literally collect off the internet and put on their own YouTube channel. This car compilation page over here, if I come over to videos, is doing the same thing. Simple dash cam videos. They're literally choosing thumbnails that YouTube generates them, so there's not a lot of effort put into this. Same with Mega Driving School. Also, ultimate North American car driving fails, and it's all dashcam footage of people around the country and around the world. And what's fantastic about this, you don't need to record this content yourself. There's a whole bunch of platforms online where you can go and find this kind of content, and this kind of content is actually interesting to watch. I watch it myself. Sometimes when I scroll through Facebook or YouTube and something catches my attention and I just want to chill a bit, I sometimes watch content like this. So people all over the world are attracted to this kind of content. So I quickly wanted to show you how we can actually use YouTube Shorts to blow up with these videos. So over here, I came over to a good example of a dashcam comps page on TikTok that is posting simple, well, obviously less than 3 minutes because TikTok videos can't be longer than 3 minutes, dashcam videos and compilations on TikTok. Now, they are actually making tons of money through this page as well as their YouTube channel. So if I open up the link in their bio, take a look at this. They basically, let me just click on open anyway, are making tons of sales of different dash cams that they offer in their business. So they've been very smart. They started a dash cam compilation page, and now they're selling dash cams through their page. So over here, if I click on a normal dash cam, you will see, okay, that page has been removed. They need to update that. Mirror dash cam. You can see over here is a mirror dash cam that looks like this on your mirror. It costs $99. Now, every time you order this through Amazon, they get a commission through their affiliate link. So this page is making money through Amazon affiliates. Now, what you can go and do is you can go and do the same thing. But remember, there's 8 billion people, or close to at least, people in this world. This is not oversaturated at all. It's not too late to start. You can start this now. Literally go to TikTok, and I'm going to show you how you can download these TikTok videos over here without the TikTok watermark, start your own car crash compilation YouTube channel, and upload them as shorts. So all you want to do is come over to TikTok and just go and search dashcam. Search dashcam pages. If you actually click on the search bar, you will see it will pop up with a bunch of pages over here. Dashcam HD, dashcam, car crash vids, dashcam live and stuff like that. Let's just go, for example, dashcam, and we can go to dashcam comps over here. So here you can see is another dashcam footage that they post on TikTok, and here's another example over here. And these pages are getting a lot of views, 210k, nearly a million, 18k, 58k. So this is literally videos they're getting off the internet. And if you want to download these without the watermark, for example, this one that got 900k, I recommend use this one because it's already gone viral. It's proven to go viral. So now just copy this virality on YouTube Shorts. So you're going to click on this TikTok over here. You can see it's a short compilation of this dash cam of this car driving. All you're going to do is copy the link of this video over here. You can see here's the video. You're going to come over to Google and you're going to type in TikTok download without watermark. Click on enter. Here you'll see is this first website over here. I use this website myself, ssstick.io. So we're going to paste our link over here and we're going to click on download. Once this is done, just choose the option that says without watermark. It might pop up with an ad or two. Just close the ad. This TikTok will then download to your PC on the bottom left over here. If you can see, it will be about a couple of megs and it will be ready to use. And here you can see this is the TikTok downloaded. There's no TikTok watermark. So this plays a big role in YouTube Shorts because platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram don't like to promote content that has the TikTok watermark. That's why you need to download it without that watermark. And once you've done that, you want to come over to YouTube, start your own car crash compilation TV, just upload this to YouTube. You can literally go and copy the same TikTok over here. Just read what it's about. So this is obviously car dash cam in Germany. As you can see, this is in German. So then what you can do is you can literally just go to YouTube and type worst German drivers crazy dash cam compilation, and then you want to put the term hashtag shorts in the title, and you can literally use thumbnails like this on the screen over here of random car crash. So you can come over to Google, just type in car crash, just click on enter, come over to images over here and just click on more, I think it's settings or it's tools. Click on tools, click on usage rights, click on Creative Commons, and here are pictures of car crashes that you can use for your thumbnail that you don't have to worry about copyright. There's no copyright on these images because you've filtered by non-copyright images. So go and download these, use this as your thumbnail, post this onto YouTube, and then what you want to go and do is you want to go and create a similar little page just like this. So you can actually come over to Linktree. Just type in Linktree on your search bar. Just type in Linktree over here. Once you've signed in with your account, click on add new link over here. For your title, you can just go and copy, for example, the title and go mirror dash cam, and you want to put 15% off. And then for your URL, all you want to do is come over to Amazon affiliates. So just type in Amazon affiliates on your search bar, come over to Amazon Associates Central, sign up to become an Amazon affiliate. Then all you're going to do is you're going to come over to Amazon itself. So that's amazon.com, and you just want to go and type mirror dash cam on the search bar, click on enter over here, and you just want to go copy your link, your affiliate link for the specific product. So you can literally go copy your affiliate link like this. You want to come back to your dash cam page over here that you're creating on Linktree, click on enter, and all you want to do is add new link again. So just click on this no thanks. And for the second title, we can go and use, for example, a dual dash cam. So let's go type dual dash cam, click on enter. Over here is a good example, the dual dash cam for the phone and the dash cam. So then copy your affiliate link to this page as well, paste your URL over here and just type in dual dash cam. Again, come back to Amazon, just search dash cam and see what other dash cam products there are. So for example, there's a dash cam over here. Let's take a look for something that's really different. So over here is a dash cam that looks like it goes on this like a weird device. So you can go and copy this link over here, and you want to go click on your Linktree link, click on add new link over here, paste your URL, and for your title you can copy, for example, Pro Duo dash cam. So just come back here to your dash cam page where you're creating your title, and over here you want to have your title and go Pro Duo dash cam. And we can click on save. So now you'll see if I come over to my Linktree link, this is what my landing page is going to look like. I've got my Pro Duo dash cam, your dual dash cam, and your mirror dash cam, and all your affiliate links to all of these, which you want to have in the description. If I actually click on one of these YouTube videos, so you're going to have, for example, are you looking for a dash cam, and you have the link to your Linktree link over here where you can sell all these products through your page on your YouTube Shorts. So let's say your video gets over 200,000 views and let's say 500 people of those people buy this dash cam over here, for example, for $89. So this dash cam is going for $89. So let's go 500 people times $89. That is a total of $44,000 net gross profit. Then there's obviously Amazon's cut that they need to take. The Amazon affiliates program usually pays about 10%. So let's go 44,950 times 10%. You can make $4,000 of literally one YouTube shorts. And imagine doing this every single day. And if you do this every single day consistently for a year, you can actually start to understand how much money these YouTube channels are making, not only through ad revenue, but as well as through merch sales, dashcam sales, and commissions every single day. And the lump sum that they are making every single year is well over 6 figures. So let me show you how the process works. What you're going to do is you're going to click on upload video over here on YouTube. Let's just go and click on the video that we've now downloaded from the YouTube Shorts on the TikTok page. For your title, since we saw this TikTok is all about German dashcam drivers, so we can go and search the worst German drivers. Crazy car crashes compilation, and you want to put your hashtag shorts. And you want to put in your description, do you want a dash cam for your own safety and footage? Put a question mark, click enter, and you want to copy the link to your Linktree page over here, and you want to paste your link like this straight to your Linktree page where you're selling these different dash cams. And what I do suggest is for your videos, just go and use a disclaimer like this. Disclaimer: we do not own video materials and all credits belong to the respectful owners. In case of copyright issues, please contact us immediately. So when you do put this in your description, people will see that you are actually giving credit to whoever's the owner of this content. So which means people will just respect you for that. And that way your audience will trust you and continue to watch your content. So I do feel it's important to have this disclaimer in your description, as you don't want people thinking that this person's just stealing content. But if they do look in the description and you have given credit, they will respect that and they will continue to support you. But fellow entrepreneurs, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you got tons of value from this on how you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts and build a huge business out of that in the dashcam niche, for example. Now it's up to you to think out the box and build businesses like this around other niches as well. Think how you can do this with fitness. Think how you can do this with entertainment or finance or motivation or psychology. You can literally use what I showed you for any niche that you can think of. I just used the example of dashcams and how you can make a dashcam business out of this. But guys, the winner of the $20 giveaway is this person on the screen. Well done to you. And what I'm going to do is, if you want to win my 6-figure drop servicing university program over here, which is an entire 57 video intensive training program with me that will build you along the way, that will help you build your successful drop servicing stores along the way with one-on-one teaching and showing you each and every step on the screen from start to beginning. I talk about mindset as well, which is crucial when it comes to making money online. But without further ado, guys, if you want to win this, all you need to do is leave a like on this video. You have to be subscribed to the Millionaire Mindset Plus YouTube channel, and you have to follow me on Instagram over here. Leave a like on this video, comment down below that you've both subscribed and followed my Instagram. And in tomorrow's video, I will announce a lucky comment winner. I'll just take a person from the random comments and I will pop them up on the screen for a giveaway to the 6-figure program. But without further ado, guys, take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.